Alright, welcome back. Today we are making an image responsive using CSS. How else would you make it responsive? I don't know. Maybe you can do it without CSS. CSS will make an image display 100% its size and keep its aspect ratio if the screen size or element size gets smaller than the containing image. You should be able to drag the edge of the image to resize and see how it responds. Nice. What does that mean? I don't know. Alright, oh yes, I have to use my key combo of Alt-Z. I'm going to remember this by the end of the day. Alt-Z is line wrap in VS Code. Surely I will remember it. We have this Dell image again. That's my favorite image for the day. I do have this laptop sitting around somewhere. I think the battery lasted for about an hour and it got hot and the fans were a bit crazy. Anyway, that's nothing to do with making an image responsive in CSS, or maybe it is. All right, we have div class resizable, and then within this div, we have an image with the class of responsive. That's very generic. First, we will want to put in resizable because we want to put this in a div that we can drag around. I thought this was kind of a cool setting. You can actually set a resize value on a div like this, and it allows you to drag the div around, which is very handy when you're testing. So at the moment we have our resizable div. Oh yeah, we can resize it that way, can't we? Oh, it's only resizable horizontal. Why do you only want to do it horizontal? Resize all. I don't know what the setting is. I'm just guessing. No, it's got resize now. Resize auto. I probably should test this before, shouldn't I? Oh, there we go. Now we can resize it all the way. Aha. So we wanted to resize this so that we could test the image responsiveness. So now we have to set our image to responsive mode. Is there a responsive mode? Surely. So we want to set the max width to 100% of its container, and then we want to display it as a block because images are inline, I think, by default. And then we want to set the height to automatic. So now, if we drag this, yeah, you can see now we have our responsive image. I should turn that refresher off, actually. Yeah, 5 seconds is too much. Let's set it to 50 seconds. So now we have a responsive image. So this way, the image will, up to its maximum, actually it goes over its maximum res. So yes, this way it will go to whatever the element size is, and it will keep the image in the correct aspect ratio, I guess. So yes, there you go. A responsive image using CSS and HTML. Hopefully I'll put the code in the link below, and thanks for watching. Hopefully you can see my code today because I zoomed it in a bit more. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.